morning, guys.
Morning.
It's day 2 in Tobago.
Today we're going to do beach shopping, primarily on the west coast of the island, and see what we see.
But before we do that, we're gonna grab some breakfast, and then we're gonna head there. We might hit the trail too. We don't know, depending on how time go. But we're gonna see. On day 2, we had breakfast at Jenny's Diner, where I had one of my favorite foods, saltfish and tomatoes with fry bake. After having breakfast, we head to our first stop of the day, which was Canoe. You could go ahead, take over the vlog.
Wow. Vlogger.
Yeah, take over the vlog.
Is that
What to say?
We know, yeah. The first stop for the day.
Our first stop for the day is Canoe, so we care we're looking at. But you start.
Is your aware of this view?
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Alright, so we're on a hike right now to the famous Argyle Waterfall. It's one of the most popular one in Tobago. Yeah, so we're just on the way there. So when we reach, I'll show you guys how it looks. After arriving at the waterfall, we decided to trek further and climb the waterfall to view the pools higher up. This was the first pool we encountered. After climbing further, this was the second pool.
How do you want me? Pressure,
Pressure in the camp.
I don't want to follow.
After climbing again, this was the top of the Argyle Waterfall. Now we did do a little walking again, and we realized there was another waterfall at the top, but due to time we couldn't explore this further. Alright, so we just finished Argyle
Waterfall, yeah.
Yeah, we just finished by Argyle Waterfall. We're at the gas station now, we're filling up, and then we're going for lunch.
We're looking for a place on the way.
Yeah.
If anybody want to sponsor 15 by 10 rims for this Jimny, link up.
Yes, if you want to sponsor Vasisht, drop it in the comments. Right, but right now we're hungry, we're looking for food, and then we're going
Pirates Bay.
Pirates Bay. So, we're on a journey today.
Hey, I've got you on my mind.